Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael at RBM Crypto. Today's video will be showing you how to store your Polkadot, your DOT coins on your Ledger Nano X device. What we're going to need for today's video is obviously your Ledger Nano X plugged into your computer and unlocked, as you can see here on my screen. And you'll also need some Polkadot coins to deposit into your account. Before we get rolling, if you guys are enjoying the content you're seeing on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps support the channel. Okay, so let's get going here. So I'm on my Ledger Live desktop suite here, and if I head on over to the manager section, this is where I can download applications to store certain coins and tokens on my device. Now, as you can see, once I'm in this section here, I can search for Polkadot. So all I want to do is type in Polka, and as you can see here, Polkadot shows up. All I need to do now is hit install. And then once the application is finished installing, we can add an account. Okay, so the installation here is just finishing up on the Polkadot application. Once it's done, now you can see there's an option here to add an account. So what we're going to do is hit add account. We're going to head on over to our device and confirm. And once we head on over to the Polkadot section on our device, it'll allow us to create an account. Once you've done so, you can now set up a new account, and you can also name that account. As you can see here, I can choose to name this RBM Crypto 2 and then select add account. And once that is finished, you just hit done. And now you see that there are two accounts on my screen. And then you can go to Polkadot, and then you can choose to receive your tokens. Now you can see once I hit the receive button, it's going to ask me which account I want it to credit my Polkadot to. Obviously, I'm going to select RBM Crypto. I'll hit continue. And then once I hit continue, you'll now see my address pops up. Now all I'm going to do is copy this address. And this is the address I'm going to send my DOT coins to. One more step before we send our Polkadot from the exchange to our device is just to confirm our address is correct on our Ledger Nano X. So we'll just select to the right, confirm that the address lines up, and then select OK. Now I've already purchased some Polkadot on the Medallic exchange here. As you can see, I have 10.5 DOT. I'm going to send to my device by pasting in my address here and then completing the withdrawal. All right, and I've completed the withdrawal request for my Polkadot to be sent to my Ledger. And now all I have to do now is head on back to Ledger Live, and we will wait for our tokens to arrive. All right, and our deposit has arrived in our Ledger Nano X, as you see here on my screen. We've received our 10.5 Polkadot, and it is now safely stored on my Ledger Nano X. I can now unplug my device, and I can keep it stored safely offline until I need to send these tokens somewhere else. If I want to send these tokens back to the exchange or to any other wallet, all I need to do now is go to Manage, Send, paste in the address I want to send my coins to, which I'll do now. Hit Continue. Choose the amount of DOT I would like to send. Right now, I'll just choose to send 5.3. Hit Continue. Here's a summary of my transaction. Just confirm that it is the correct address you're sending your funds to. Then hit Continue. And confirm the transaction on your device. Once you've confirmed your transaction and approve it, the transaction will be sent, and your Polkadot will head on over to whatever wallet you sent them to. And that is it for today's demonstration. I've shown you how to set up your Polkadot application on your Ledger Nano X device through Ledger Live. I've shown you how to withdraw your Polkadot from an exchange to your device, and then I've shown you how to send your Polkadot back to an exchange or to any other wallet. If you guys are enjoying the content, again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next video. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care.